This is a short video explaining how to install your student ID on your phone. The first step is to go to your App Store and search for and install ID123, which is the ID app we use for our cards. After installation, open the app on your phone. This is the first screen you should see after opening the app. The first step is registering for an account. Click on Don't Have an Account, create an account for free. From here, type in an email address that you can easily access from your phone. The app now has sent a verification code to that email, which you will have to type into the app in order to open it up further. Now, you'll have to tell the app that this will be a school ID. So you click on School as the institution type. The next step is to search for our institution. I typed in Erie County Community as the name of the school to search for. Click on Erie County Community College from the directory. On this screen, choose EC3 student. Now you'll be asked to type in your last name and your EC3 email address in order to confirm your identity. Then click Next. Here, click on Upload Photo. You'll have the choice of taking a selfie or downloading a picture from your camera. You will always have the option of changing the picture in the future. After adding the picture, click Next from the top right corner. You should now see your picture with other ID information. Click Add Card. Since you've completed all the steps, now when you open the ID123 app, you should be able to see your completed student ID, which will look something like this. If you need help, please contact us at idhelp@ec3pa.org. Thank you.